Hey guys, Charvon here from Parkers on the Go. So today I wanted to do a quick video just to kind of show you guys about two products that we ordered, or that I ordered from Amazon for our upcoming trip to LA. As you guys know, we are leaving tomorrow to go to LA. This is Tuesday. We're leaving early Wednesday morning, and y'all know I suck at packing. Packing is not my thing. So I figured I would try two products out from Amazon. They got pretty high reviews. I will make sure I will leave the links in the description, but I wanted to show you guys these two things. The first thing I brought is a set of packing cubes. Now, everybody uses packing cubes. Y'all know I can't figure it out one way or another, but I am really proud of myself. I'm going to insert a hyperlapse so you guys can see how well I am packed. Now, I am usually up until about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning packing my bag before we actually leave. It is now, what time is it? What time is it?
1:47.
It is now 1:47 in the afternoon. I am 99% packed, and the only reason why I say 99% is because I do have a carry-on bag that I am going to pack, and I'm going to show you that's the other item that I purchased. But I am going to pack a carry-on bag, and that's going to be like for our snacks, for our laptops, for anything that we need to use on the plane, and my actual makeup bag. And the only reason why I'm not packing that is because I may try to do my makeup, but it's going to be so early in the morning. I don't know if I'm going to actually try to do it. So the packing cubes are by Bag All. There's an 8-pack of packing cubes. I did get them on the lightning deal of the day, but like I said, I looked up the reviews. These are the colors, and you guys know how Amazon works. Depending on the color, what's popular at the moment, you can get a certain color at a cheaper price. So color I really don't care about. They're packing cubes. Now I will show you guys. This 8 set did come with 3 size bags. Came with a medium, large, extra large. It came with the laundry bag. This is considered their laundry bag. It's not as big as it looked on Amazon, but this is considered their laundry bag. It came with a sock bag. It came with a undergarment bag for your underwear, bras, etc. Came with a shoe bag. Came with 3 different size packing cubes with straps, and then it actually came with a cosmetic bag. So that's 8, and it's all packed into that cosmetic bag. You guys should be seeing it in the video now. I actually got 2 pair of shoes, a pair of Vans and a pair of Crocs in the shoe bag. So depending on what type of shoes you take, you could get more, but that's what I got in there. Also packed jeans. I packed a couple of sweaters. I packed shirts. Because we are going to be doing multiple things. The weather is going to be on a little cooler side, and I know it could fluctuate. We've never been to the West Coast before, so I'm trying to prepare for all occasions. So that is the first product. Hopefully you guys got to see me packing in the hyperlapse. Hopefully I didn't mess that up too bad. Now I want to show you guys the second product. Is this carry-on bag? It's a carry-on bag. Okay, so I already used it. I used it this past weekend. We went to Shay's cheerleading competition in Myrtle Beach. But this bag, I really liked about this. Regular price is $59.99. I got it, once again, lightning deal of the day. Y'all got to catch those lightning deals. I got it on lightning deal of the day, and it was on sale for $39. So I wanted to find something, because we fly Frontier a lot. So I wanted to find something that would be considered a carry-on, or possibly fit in that category of a personal item. Now, I don't think this necessarily will fit as a personal item, because it does have 2 wheels on the bottom, okay? And as you guys can see, there's a handle on the bottom there. This handle extends a lot, so you don't have to do a lot of bending over. You guys can see I did pack. I had a little bit of a sniffle, but I did have some medicine there. There are a zipper. There's a zipper case here. I have my toothbrush and toothpaste. There's a zipper case here. There's a zipper on the front. There is another zipper on the front. There is another zipper on the front. So there is plenty of compartment space. There is a zipper on the side. Plenty of compartment space. Okay, so there are, like I said, there's a pocket on the inside. The thing I like about it the most is, see this little cord? It goes to this pocket, which has a 2-in-1 USB port. So basically, when we're traveling, if we need to charge any of our devices, we can go ahead and have our already charged USB inside of the bag, okay? All we gotta do is plug our phone up right here, or our device right here. And we don't have to worry about carrying it. We don't have to worry about where it's gonna be. And then there's another side compartment. So I really like this bag for that. There's also straps for the handles. Okay, and then it zips around all the way. So this bag, I really enjoyed using it. I will say this, I got 3 days worth of outfits in there, all of my toiletries. The only reason why I carried a backpack is because we're going to a cheerleading competition and we're going to be there all day, and I took my computer so I can edit some things while I was there. Okay, I didn't need to take a backpack. Everything fit in here, even a pair of sneakers. So I could have pushed 5 days worth of clothes in here. I probably could have did more if I did like a rolling method or use packing cubes or compression bags or something like that. I did not. I just put everything in here, used all my pockets, and I could have probably got 5 days worth of clothes or travel in this bag. I used it. This one I will recommend. I have not traveled with the packing cubes yet, but we're going to link them both into our Amazon store so you guys can check out the affiliate link, check out the Amazon store if you are interested in getting one of these items. But I highly recommend them. I really like this bag. I'm thinking about getting Brandon one because like I said, we use Frontier a lot. I think he would like it, and they came in like 5 different colors. I know black was one of them, but these are 2 items. I also did get a personal item bag. It was like $9 off of Amazon. Y'all hear Sammy tapping in the background. I have not used it yet. I will take a video and show you guys a bag, and it may be something maybe I'll let Shay carry if she wants to try to carry it on the plane, and we'll take it to the airport to actually show you a video of it actually fitting into the space. So that's all I got for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you found the video helpful, please go ahead and make sure you like and comment. Let me know what you think about these items. Let me know if you order them. Let me know how you like them. And if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Share this video with a friend that travels a lot and probably needs travel accessories. And we'll try to do more like review type videos of the items that we purchase on Amazon, because I know sometimes you guys ask us what we use. So we'll try to do more of these type of videos, but these are some things I wanted to get out to you guys today so you can see that I am getting better at packing, and hopefully that will continue. So next time, guys, we will see you. We'll be in LA. Parkers out. Thank you to the members of the month, your favorite couple. Thank you for supporting Parkers on the Go.